So on this particular day, we are going fine dining straight from the Lion Sanctuary in Harrismith. So we actually drove to Durban. We arrived in Durban, and this is our beautiful hotel. We're at Costlands Hotel, and my room is amazing. As always, my room, I love this hotel. Actually, this has been my dream hotel for the longest time. Had quick breakfast, and we actually decided to take a walk along the ocean and just enjoy the fresh air. You know how beautiful Durban is. It was amazing. The sun was out and everything was just perfect. And then obviously that is me and just being myself. But it was actually a very beautiful day, and let me tell you how I actually ended up at an award-winning restaurant. So I was still here just enjoying my day and, enjoying the view. And then I actually felt thirsty that I had to have something to drink. And then I went to a restaurant that was just behind us, only to find that it is Oysterbox. It is the Oysterbox, not just any Oysterbox. Oh my god. So if you don't know what the Oysterbox, it is actually an award-winning restaurant. It is in Umhlanga, and it is amazing. It's been on my bucket list for the longest time, and I actually ended up here. And the bathrooms, everything here is amazing. They had the most amazing architectural designs. Their cocktails were amazing. I was so happy that I was here. Like, I literally couldn't believe it, because when we left the hotel, I just thought I was going for a walk. I didn't think that I would end up here at my dream restaurant. So I was just taking everything in, and obviously the bath was going in as well. So and I had a few more cocktails, and I thought I was just gonna have a drink because I was not hungry. I had big breakfast. However, things change. Anyways, I had to get up and walk inside so I could show you guys, because I've been wanting to come here. The Oysterbox is an award-winning restaurant. It's got the most amazing designs. It's got this English British feel. As you can see, it's like you're at a palace. Literally, when you're there, it's like you're at a palace. And they have a private wine cellar, they have a chef table, they have it's actually a unique experience. And I'm so happy that I was actually dressed for this, as if I knew. And then they have the Hall of Fame. And I don't know, I have this obsession with bathrooms and mirrors, and this, this is actually a 15 out of 10. If I were to actually rate it. And then this is the Hall of Fame. So these are people that have literally been at the Oysterbox. So while I was sitting there eating and drinking, I was just like, what if this is the chair that, Harry sat on? Like, I was having so many thoughts in my mind. Like, what if this is the chair that Nicki Minaj sat on? And obviously I did take pictures, and all my pictures will be on Instagram. And do follow me on Instagram. It is at TK Venus. And this is still, I couldn't stop taking. And then I actually had food. We ordered pizza, and I just continued enjoying the beautiful view. I was not even hungry. I was just in awe of how beautiful this place is, because even when I looked it online and I wanted to go, I knew that it was beautiful, but actually being there was so breathtaking for me, and I was so happy. And yep, content will be the death of us. I actually had to make sure that I get all the views for you guys. That's why. And yeah, this is a pool area, and we actually had to go. And I couldn't finish my pizza because my pizza was so big, and even outside, I really couldn't believe that I was here. I was so happy. So this is the one that's in Umhlanga. And after that, yes, went back to our hotel. I still had my pizza, and I was just a happy girl, and I was about to have my pizza and sleep. So I hope that you guys enjoy this, and I still love you so much. Bye.